Okay, good morning everyone. Today is 18th of July 2024. It is around 9 past 12 a.m. in the morning. All right, good morning everyone. Let's start our analysis together. Okay, today is Thursday. So today and tomorrow we will be still having quite a lot of news item. We don't really have so much of the US dollar related item anymore for the rest of the week, but we do have a big item on euro. All right, I think the euro we have a very big item tonight, and I will later we will talk about it. Okay, so we have a euro policy statement. And we have a ECB press conference. I'm sure you already aware this already. So Euro come in two events, right? 8:15 and 8:45 p.m. All right, please pay attention to that as well. So these are the news that we'll be having for the rest of this week. Okay, so let's start the analysis together. Okay, just take a quick glance on all the major items that we normally look at. Okay, you can see all the euro, British pounds, they are all rising for daily time frame. All right, Swiss franc is rising as well. Okay, gold make a bit of pullback, and I think this is a little bit of a legit one because you can see the controls on the top, all this kind of stuff. So I think gold is due for a pullback, and silver is obviously as well. And Bitcoin is also showing signs of slowing down a little bit here. All right, then on the right side we have Dow Jones. We have a bit of pullback in the S&P. Okay, S&P we need to a little bit careful. Okay, later we'll talk about it as well. Unfortunately, Hong Kong is also making a pullback. Hong Kong we need the price to go back into this range region to before the market can go back up higher. Okay, in Hong Kong we need this 17750 region to be taken over back. All right, then we can talk about the bullishness. Okay, all right, then that's about it. So overall we have a bit of a risk of ongoing. Okay, not all of them are obvious, but overall it's happening right now. Okay, so let's continue with the individual pairs. Okay, let's start with the British pound as usual. So you know the drill. The right side is CME, the left side is the left side is CME. The right side is the CME future, and the left side is CFD. Okay. So what is happening to these fellas? All right, what is our weekly plan? Our weekly plan is slightly bullish. Okay, so it have been correct so far. The market have been really nicely go to the upside. Okay, how about the retail number? Retail numbers are basically around minus 93%. So they are definitely super duper extreme. So I think it will now start to show the real signs of extremeness already. That means retail traders are really extreme on the market. And I think that they are about to all get, I think by yesterday, they are all stop out already. And look at the control of the yesterday. So you can see it is in the middle or the top end. Okay, it's at least not really that top, but it's or at least on the middle already. So I think market will likely to go sideways or neutral in my opinion. Okay, yesterday was neutral and slightly bullish. You know why? Because if you attend my yesterday video, you will notice that because we have a kind of pin bar looking candle yesterday, right? So I was saying that, hey guys, careful, it is neutral and bullish. So now they are back to here. All right. So, we so-called dodged the bullet by not shorting, but now we need to be careful again as well. I think we won't be surprised we have a bearish candle by today. Okay, so I will be neutral here. Right. If you want to long, if you can do so, but you have to be very cautious because look at the yesterday candle. They are not entirely bullish. You see the market really goes up, and of course the selling come back in, push the price go lower, then they close at the middle. So I would just say yesterday in terms of price session is only the slightly bullish looking candle. Okay, so I would say it's neutral will be the better. I think the correct words. Okay. All right. Another one is euro. Okay, euro also what is our weekly plan? Our weekly plan is a bit more on the bullish side as well. All right, bullish side. And how about the retail number? Retail number is also minus 90. So basically the whole week, they are almost all of them the whole week they have been hovering around minus 90 plus. It was minus 92, it was minus 91, and now they are minus 90. So they are this here minus 90. So I think also will be very similar. And moreover, you can see we are already at this control of the previous few months ago. So I'm expecting market will do some sort of rollover potentially. Okay, they may not roll over immediately, but they will do something like what we have here. They one day up, one day down, then eventually the so-called the downward move will come back in. Okay, so I will be quite cautious actually. All right. So shall we short or not? I was saying that you can do so if you want, with a small amount, because the price action is still pretty much bullish. Okay, so when we talk about price action, we focus a little bit deeper on the price action of it first. Okay, you can see the yesterday candle. Yeah, it was a decent bullish looking candle. Price all go all the way up. But you know the problem now, right? The problem is that control is on the top end. So if the price cannot break, the current price cannot break above this yesterday controls, I mean, yes, it is a bullish, but you see the market have already have a resistance that come along with it. Okay, so I will be slightly bullish only. All right, just be very careful. All right. And moreover, we have a Euro session tonight, and of course, anything can happen. Okay, so just be very careful and be very cautious. So to me, for today, I'll be neutral and slightly bullish only. I don't think I would like to buy on both of them, and on the reason being, all the retail numbers are very high. All right, so a bit too extreme to me. Okay. Okay, another one is Aussie. Let's take a look at Aussie. Okay, Aussie were in the earlier part of this week, right? They started with a very high return number. Okay, Aussie we were slightly bullish, but the whole week it was like it started with a retail high return number minus 91. Then since then market have been pulling down quite a lot. They have like dropped to minus 85. Then now they are basically minus 64 only. So they have already gone back to the normalized condition already. So Aussie I will be kind of like neutral and slightly bearish kind of thinking. You can see here, right? The controls are really basically they're just hovering around here. All right. So I think we have a bit of weakness going on, weak kind of like condition going on. If let's say the price cannot break above 0.675 strongly, I think we are it's good to say a bit ready to or easy to so-called it's good to short in my opinion. Look at the yesterday candle. You see the price really try to go up here, then they fail and they really go back to the lower end. So that means there's some selling coming back in already. So I think Aussie will go back to here as well. All right, you can say we can talk about 0.67. So it can easily drop around 20 more points in my opinion. So Aussie is slightly bearish, can go to 0.7 0.72 region, 0.67 region. Now 0.672, so 0.67 region. So don't buy at all, okay, on Aussie. I think can fall easily 20 more points first. Okay, New Zealand. New Zealand have been quite tricky, right? Market is up, market is down, and I think they are soon they will try to show their real intention. Okay, so look at the yesterday candle. All right, okay, quite decent. Okay, we go with the flow. I don't so-called I will do in procedure lah. Put it this way. Hang on. Okay, they were minus 64, minus 57, plus also 57. Now they are minus 69 again. So there wasn't any there wasn't any like strong indication of any too extreme on the one side or another. Okay, so anyway, look at the retail number. Look at the price action now. Okay, the price action was kind of like bullish looking. One of the reason because the price was going to it was hunting quite a lot of stops, so a lot of stops are being cleared out, and they don't have enough strength to push it lower, so they do a knee-jerk reaction. So basically I believe this move is nothing more than going back to this very congested level only, and we have to see. All right, unless they really start to break out higher, then we have a bullish case scenario. But look, by the way that I'm looking at it, look at the yesterday control is on the top end. So it is obviously, it is very obvious the market already have some sort of weakness coming in already. Okay. The only things that we have not seen in price action yet. Okay. Yesterday they have a lot of fighting going on this top end. Okay. So I think I will be neutral. Okay. We have to respect the price action, at least. So I think I'm neutral. If you want to short, we need to wait for price action to come back in on the bearish side to give us a confirmation again. And as of right now, we are seeing the first early signs of the resistance coming back in. Okay, so I will be just neutral, definitely not out yet, short yet. So remark will be wait for bear PA. Okay, so that may wait for bearish price action. Okay, so I'm neutral at this moment. So let's see how it's go. We may be starting to roll over soon, and I think it is likely the case. Okay, so we have a New Zealand Canadian pair. All right, as of right now, we have a New Zealand Canadian pair. I think market will start to show that in that way, in my opinion. All right. So far I have covered four. And all the pair against US dollars are starting to show there's a US dollar is making a minor comeback, but none of them are so obvious. Okay. I'm watching this euro very closely. all right, because euros first thing is the price action is, of course, the control is on the top, and the retail numbers are also quite high. So I would definitely not long British pound and euro, definitely. Okay, so let's move on to gold. Okay, gold, I think market have already too congested. That's why they are starting to make some pullback. All right, okay, hang on. Okay, where's the number of gold? Let me take a look. Okay, gold, our weekly plan is on the bullish side. All right, we were otherwise on the bullish side. Right, we are right so far. Right, hang on. The retail numbers are -62. So basically, they are nothing really significant in terms of retail number. So I think this pullback is just a minor pullback in my opinion. Okay, they may look at the yesterday candle. Right, price action is kind of looking bearish. Look at the yesterday candle, yesterday bar or candle. Okay, whatever we call it. We have a price action is kind of bearish looking. So market go up and market really come down as well. Right, then moreover, I think the obvious one is the control is on the top end. So they have just make a very good resistance on the top. So we are talking somewhere around 2470. So if the price cannot break above 2470, we have some bearish potential to the downside. I think it can go back to 2430, very, very similar to here. All right. So I think it is a good opportunity for you to wait and long again, just like we have been waiting for the Hong Kong index for a long time. So this will be very similar. I will adopt the wait and buy attitude. Okay, so just let it come down first. Okay, let it come down, and we wait for a like red to blue kind of like candle change. Red to blue candle change mean one day is bearish candle, right? One day is bearish candle. The next day is the bullish looking candle. So this is kind of like candle change, and will be nice the candle change at the support level. All right, so I think the next support is 2430. So to conclude, I will just wait it out. Okay, wait, no buy. All right. And I think the market will let the market pull back lower first. I repeat, 2430 is a good support for now. Okay, all right, let's move on. Silver. Okay, silver is a little bit more obvious one. Okay, look at the yesterday candle as well. And first of all, let's take a look on the retail number. Retail numbers are -60, so they are nothing extreme. Okay, now we can look at the yesterday control. The controls are really getting away from this congested zone. You can see they have been congested here for quite a while. They have an extreme kind of like extreme condition here. But since then, they never really managed to take. So what it means is that we have quite a lot of resistance waiting on top already. So I think sooner or later, market will likely to go lower. They will go back to this range region. So I'm talking about potentially 29.5, this kind of region. Okay. So I'm expecting market to go lower, gentlemen, in my opinion. It will definitely, don't buy at all. So compared to gold, I think this is even weaker. So I'm slightly bearish on a silver. I think it can go back to this 29.5 region in my opinion. So don't buy at all. Okay, so this will be the don't buy at all. Okay, so the next one is US dollar Canadian. Okay, US dollar Canadian, they are really testing, trying hard to like test this control level. I think US dollar Canadian will likely to go lower, causing the Canadian to go higher. So what happened to Canadian? Okay, just first of all, let's go through with step by step. First of all, our current our weekly plan is neutral or slightly bearish, and our retail number is -66. Okay, so basically no change as per yesterday. Okay, and when we look at the just past a few day price session, right, you can see the whole behavior right now, right? It is basically to so-called to absorb this the impact of the bearishness. You see the market have go up a lot, then they come down. So that means there was a very bearish pressure coming in, right? So the next day go lower, then now what they are doing right now, they are smoothing out this effect. So you see market is like they are no longer going down anymore. At least now they are going sideways. So I think this is what is happening to Canadian. That's the reason why this is happening to US dollar Canadian. So apparently what it looks like is I think they are trying to absorb this sell down and they are trying to push it right back up. So when they try to push right back up, that means on the US dollar Canadian, that means they are trying to push it right back to the downside. So I think we need to patient a little bit. So now or later, it will start to show the downward move in my opinion. So I will not buy at all. All right. I will just neutral. I'll wait for bearish candle. Okay. Bearish PA also you can write in that way. Price action. Okay, so you can see there's a lot of pin bar coming in really. So what does the pin bar mean? Pin bar mean on that particular day, market go up, then something is really causing it to go lower. The next day also market go up, something causing it to go really lower. So this level may or will not be given up easily. So I'm thinking the market will likely to go down lower. So something quite similar to this kind of pin bar. All right, this kind of pin bar opposite on the opposite side. Okay, so we have to wait until today. All right, so US dollar Canadian will be my first KIV. I'm waiting for the price action to appear. Okay. All right, another one is US dollar CHF. Okay, like it or not, trading is sometimes something you are waiting for something didn't happen, but something that you didn't wait for it, it happened. I wasn't really so serious about US dollar CHF for the whole week, right? You see what happened, right? Surprisingly, it moved down a lot, and we are kind of expecting that way anyway. You can see from our projection, you see. So this is what it is lah. Our job is to look for a potential setup. I mean, we have to do our best, okay? Sometimes we shouldn't be sloppy in our analysis, right? But even so, we may stay miss the setup. So this one, you see we have been bearish on this guy, and market just really move as what we intended. Okay, anyway, for US dollar CHF, currently they are plus 74 now. I think it is expected because as the market go, market go lower, what the retail guys do? Of course, retail guys will buy because they want to fight the market, right? So they are plus 74 now. So they are plus 74 now. So you can see this is what is happening right now. So I think the market is really likely to go lower. All right, I think the market really likely to go lower. Look at the yesterday control. Okay, a little bit the control is on the top end. That would be better if the control is in the middle or the lower end to prove that it's very strong bullishness. So anyway, if the market manage to stay above this level, that means the price can keep on going higher. Same thing, if the market can go below this level, the price can keep on going lower. So of course, it's bearish. Okay, I think market will keep on going lower sooner or later, in my opinion. All right. Okay, let's move on to US dollar JPY. US dollar JPY is our recommended pair for this week. All right, we are saying that market will go lower, right? So US dollar JPY is going lower. All right, so now it's here. I think sooner or later they will do a bit of bounce, but anyway, they will keep on going lower. US dollar JPY is already starting to show the weakness. Okay, then it start to really break above this control. So I think the market will likely to JPY will go higher. US dollar JPY will definitely go lower. All right, just a matter of where you want to enter it only. Then the retail number is also plus 60. So they start to show sign. So if you ask me which one look better, US dollar JPY or US dollar CHF, I would say, of course, US dollar JPY. Okay, this is our recommended pair for this week. This was, and now I'm still recommending to sell. Of course, you can sell it with a sell stop. You can wait and sell it here. It's up to you, but only stay on the sell side. Okay. All right. Let's move into the US market. So this will be US dollar JPY will be my recommended pair for today. So we have one recommendation, which is US dollar JPY short, and we have one KIV, US dollar Canadian, waiting for setup. Okay. Then the US market. Oh, US market is every day is up. So anyway, this is really an all-time high. I think what is happening is here is that market is stay bullish. Just like yesterday, you see the only problem is the control is on the top end. You see what happened yesterday? Market come down, touch near to the control, then they really push up. So I think market overall stay bullish. You are definitely quite early to be bearish at this moment. Okay, so I think it will go up higher. Okay, so it's bullish, gentlemen. Stay on the buy side. Okay, let's move on to Hong Kong. Hong Kong have been a bit trying hard. Yesterday we have a position on them. Okay, we really need to be careful. We definitely should not or will not take position additionally anymore. All right. We need to see the price break above this 17750 around this to break off higher first. So I think this will go up higher. Then the next one will be 17840. So these two level better be broken up first. So if you draw in terms of line, I'm talking about here. I'm talking about around this region. So the price better break above yesterday high. Then we can talk about that is back to bullishness. Okay, so we will not add any more position. But of course not so bad also. All right, so we just need to make sure the price go in our favor. All right, so I repeat, 17750, and another one is 17800 region, around there about. Okay, I think market will go up higher even, hopefully. Now we are in the early stage of opening, and I think they are quite bullish. Of course, this candle can change anytime. but hopefully it will break soon. Look at the way they are quite strongly banging on this 17750. I guess and I hope it will break, okay, to the upside. Okay, move on to German index. German index, let's see. Okay, German index, they are just going back to the control region. Okay, so look at the yesterday candle. It was yesterday candle it was pretty strong to the downside. They really go and touch this control, then they recover from there. But anyway, the control is stay in the middle, so they are not in the low end or top end. So I will be slightly bearish state. Look at the yesterday candle, it's pretty strong. So I think I will be slightly bearish state. Okay. So I think overall, by looking at this, the Euro news today, we have a Euro news today, right? I think all the market can go lower. Okay. Of course, let's watch out for that. Another one is WTI, gentlemen. WTI, we were looking for a bullishness. I think WTI were really going up really. Okay. So look at the yesterday control. The control is on the top end. So there's a bit of contradicting going on. So what will I do is that if you want to long, don't go for buy now or buy stops. I think we'll be likely to wait at this kind of 82.4, this kind of stuff. All right. Of course, you can miss the trade because market can, instead of coming down, they can go up higher as well. But I think that would be a good number to chase, in my opinion. Good number to put, in my opinion, instead of chasing. 82.4 will be a very good region for you to long, actually. So this is yesterday is our KIV. So today is our recommendation rating. Because yesterday, we say wait for bullish PA. Then you see what happened. Of course, bullish PA appear, right? So it will be on the buy side as well. So we have another recommendation. Okay, let's take a look on this three fella. Wheat la, corn la, soy la. Okay, nicely done. We have a bullish looking candle. All right, we have a bullish looking candle. You can see the controls are really high, going up higher. So this is signs of healthy kind of like bullish trend. Okay, so I'm expecting we will be having some bullish case scenario, in my opinion. All right, so we're likely to go up higher. So it's slightly bullish, gentlemen. Let's take a look on the soybean. Soybean were likely the same as well. Okay, for the past 2 days was a bullish candle. I think soybean will really go up higher as well. All right. So yes, yesterday is our, for the past 2 days, our very bullish case scenario on them. I think they are really starting to unfold. So all of them are quite bullish. Okay. And look at the corn, also quite bullish. You can see that. All right. So I will be looking into buy on them only. So soft commodities stay pretty much on the buy side, okay? Pretty nicely done, all of them, right? I think we have a more and more bullish case scenario coming up. So all of them are quite bullish. Okay, let's talk about BTC a little bit. Okay, BTC overall, as per our weekly plan, is we can go to 6.2 and above. So it's already already go 62K and above already. There was a bit of warning. I told them, I told you guys yesterday it was some 65 to 68 level, right? So it was somewhere around. Now market is kind of like pulling right back down. So in my opinion, what's gonna happen is I think Bitcoin will have some sideways action, in my opinion. Okay, one of the reasons because we are at this control kind of like we are at this swing kind of level. So I think market will do some sort of pullback likely. All right, so it is a little bit late for you to buy, in my opinion, really. Okay, it's still overall bullish still. So it's a little bit late for you to buy. So I think market will go sideways for now. So I think the watts here will be neutral, gentlemen. All right. So just don't buy a lot of just don't long a lot already at this moment. Okay. All right. Let's move on to another one is Nescas. Okay, it's good. Nescas. We are in the very strong stop hunting mode. All right, you can see we have a very strong sell. All right, so look at the yesterday control. The control is in the lower end. So as usual, I won't be surprised is followed by the bullish candles today. All right, so we wait for bullish candle. All right, so wait for bullish candle. So this will be another KIV as well. Wait for bullish candle. Wait for bullish PA. Okay, so let's continue. Let's talk about Nasdaq. Okay, oh sorry, should be this one. So we have a strong Nasdaq sell down. Okay, just keep in mind. Look at the yesterday control. Right, what they have done is that they are just going back to this level. Of course, market can continue go lower, but I think will be a bit wiser for you to wait for a bit of bounce to here, then at least to sell it down, in my opinion. So it is not really advisable for you to do a sell position or sell stop. I think we will wait around here. We are talking about 20250 region. Then we wait it out to sell it down. Okay, so I think it will go lower. All right, but I just wait it out. It will be the right words. So Nasdaq is bearish, but I think you need to wait. Okay, no hurry to go in and jump into the sell. All right. I mean, we are being a bit like a stringent or a bit try to get in at the better price. That's all. Okay, so let's see how it's going, gentlemen. All right. Yesterday control is pretty. Yesterday price action is pretty strong. You can see here. Right. So yesterday trend also pretty strong. So market is sort of like see how the market behave. If they really go back above, I think they will do a bit above about 202 250, then they will, I think, will go down from there. Okay. So I think wait one more day or so will be the right words in my opinion, unless we have a bearish follow-up candle. Okay. So it's a matter of like you want to, you want to wait or not. Also, I think wait will be the better choice here. Okay, so so the Nasdaq, I think the market will pull back up to go lower. So wait and sell only. Okay, I think the wait and sell will be the better words here. All right, so let me go through the recommended pair. All right, we have first one. We have a US dollar JPY to the short side. All right, so we have US dollar JPY to the short side. And we have one KIV, which is, okay, let's talk about recommendation first. US dollar JPY to the short side. We have WTI on the buy side. So we got two recommendations, and we have so far one KIV, which is the US dollar Canadian to sell. We wait for bearish candle, and we have a natural gas for the buy. We wait for bullish price action. So we got two recommendation, US dollar JPY short and WTI long. And we have two KIV, US dollar Canadian look for a bearish candle, and natural gas look for a bullish candle. Okay, so guys, any more? All right.